DirectFix.com presents
The iPhone 5 Battery Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPhone 4 or 4S for under $100 with parts from DirectFix.com.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Begin by completely powering down your iPhone. Remove your SIM card using the SIM card removal tool found in the iPhone 8-piece toolkit or purchased separately. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Using a combination of the suction cup and a case opener tool, remove the screen. A shield protecting the connectors for the LCD touch panel and forward-facing camera is secured with 3 small Phillips screws. After removing the screws with a small Phillips screwdriver and removing the shield, disconnect the 3 connectors very carefully with a case opener tool. Remove 3 small Phillips screws, securing 2 small shields covering the battery connector. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard and use the small plastic tab to remove the battery from the case. You can now install your replacement battery. Place it into the phone and connect to the motherboard. Place the 2 small shields and secure with 3 small Phillips screws. You can now reconnect the screen assembly to the motherboard. Protect with a shield and secure with 3 small Phillips screws. Fold down the screen and place into the frame. Place 2 small pentalobe screws into the bottom frame. Install your SIM card. You can now power on your iPhone. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to direct